Let's watch the fascinating process of car engine mount making. It all begins with specially crafted rubber, ready to take on its mission. This rubber enters the mighty presser machine, where the magic begins. Next, the raw form of the engine mount is carefully positioned under the presser machine. The specially crafted rubber, soft yet durable, begins to wrap itself bit by bit around the mount. Once the rubber is fully attached, any extra bits are carefully trimmed away, leaving a sleek and refined shape. But we're not done yet. There's one final flourish. The mount gets a finishing touch of paint, giving it that gleaming, polished look. And finally, your shiny new car engine mount is ready to hit the road. Isn't manufacturing cool?